Dear friends, today we are going to discuss the topic probability. I am Nikesh Vitthal Lokhande, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Sri Govindaraman Ghate College, Kurkheda District, Gadchiroli. Probability. Suppose we toss a coin. It is impossible to say in advance whether it will show heads or tails. Although the results of such experiments cannot be predicted, it is possible to determine the degree of likelihood, that is, the probability of occurrence of events. Therefore, the probability is defined as the probability of an event is defined as the ratio of the number of cases in which the events occur to the total number of cases. Suppose if an event A happens in m ways and fails in n ways, all these ways are being equally likely to occur. The probability P of A of the happening of event A is given by, that is, the ratio of number of cases in which the events occur to the total number of cases. Therefore, we can write this, that is ratio of m upon m plus n. Now, if an event occurs in an experiment, then it is called the sure events, and probability of such events is equal to 1. The probability of impossible events is equal to 0, means the events which not happen have a 0 probability. Therefore, the range of any events, the range of probability of any events is between 0 to 1. It never be less than 0, it never be greater than 1. Now, we will take the example here. Now, as we know about the coin has a two faces, that is head and tail. When we toss a coin, in prior we know that there will be the head or the tail, but we are not sure which will be the come on upside. Therefore, both are equally probable. Therefore, by using the formula, the probability of occurrence of the head is half. The probability of appearance of the tail is half. Therefore, the total probability is equal to the 1 if we are adding the probability of head and tail. Likewise, we are taking here the example of the die. As we know, die, it is nothing but the 6 faces. On each face there are the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, if we toss a die or if we throw a die, therefore one of the face will be, if the die is symmetric, one of the face will be appear on the upside. Now, if we are taking the conditions that the probability with an even events means that the even number upside, therefore there are nothing but the 2, 4 and 6, the even number, which are in 3 in number, and the probability has a 6 faces. Therefore, the probability of getting a even number on upside is 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Now, as we have seen, the probability of even impossible events is always 0. The probability of die coming up phase with 6 number is 0, as we know on the die there are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6 marking. We don't see the 7 marking, therefore the probability is 0. Probability 1, as 6 face die are marked with a number 1 to 6, therefore the probability of any number less than 7 is 1. As we know, there are the 1 to 6 marking, therefore all these number are less than 7, therefore here is the 1 probability of each number. Therefore, the total probability of any events can be calculated as we have seen, if suppose an events happen in m ways and fails in n ways, therefore the probability of happening of events is equal to m upon m plus n, and the probability of failing a event is equal to n upon m plus n. Therefore, by adding these two, we are getting that is a m upon m plus n plus n upon n plus m. Therefore, it is equal to the 1. Therefore, the total probability of the event is equal to the 1. Thank you.